session today that I co-chaired was Putting Xenophobia on Notice is a PR campaign, the answer. The International Education Association of Australia is looking at opportunities where we can engage the public and industry around changing perceptions of international students. And so the session really encouraged participants to provide ideas and feedback around that. And I think the real takeaway was one PR campaign is definitely not the answer. We need a strategy. It needs to be focusing on all of the different stakeholders, being able to nuance the messages for those stakeholders, and the fact that probably it will take years for some perceptions to change, but we are hopeful that through advocacy we can start to change that. There was a really strong feeling that, you know, a campaign and some ads on social media aren't the answer to it, and that it really does need to be a very well thought out strategy. I think that, you know, the realisation that a number of us within the session, you know, have seen the xenophobia on a day-to-day basis, and so I think sometimes that sad realisation that we still have a long way to go. We need to work, and one of the ideas that came out of the session was really trying to work with local members as well. So I think sometimes often we're targeting ministers and targeting industry, but we need to then be looking at different groups. We need to look at local members and working with them and have them advocating and I guess communicating the benefits to their communities of international students, but also how do you work with industry groups, so to try and have them start to advocate to their member bodies, their member organisations around the benefits of international students. What I like to think about is what the commonality is of people, and rather than the focus on compartmentalising, it's actually those shared experiences or those shared beliefs. And that's what I think international education does. It opens up people's mindsets and focus people on, I guess those shared understandings, values, beliefs, and that inherently most people are wanting the best from each other, and to try and seek positivity from that. We need to all start taking action ourselves rather than looking to organisations or associations to be driving the change. We need to be the agents of change and really speaking to our friends, our family, people in the community about the benefits that international students bring to our communities and how they enrich all of our lives.